Okay, so I realized that if I can attach some sort of Velcro to the back that can open and close, maybe we can make these reusable, or at least use them for the same patient after like a wipe down, find a place to like hang it right in, outside the door. And so I had this like Scotch Velcro here, which is like adhesive in the back, and I tried to just stick it to it. It was really very weak, and I pulled it. So I was thinking of an idea to use the scraps on the bottom, the tying part of the bag. So cut just like a trail, and then make a window for the Velcro here. A little square of Velcro you're gonna put in there. The Velcro in between the two pieces, and you can stick it to one side. Take the straightening iron, move this a little bit. Move this a little bit, then you can, with some pressure, actually melt it into the bag. 1, 2, 3, not too much. And again, 1, 2, 3, that's enough. I sort of melted through, so I was getting too excited. Let me just sort of fold it over, and yeah, that should do it. It's pretty strong. I already prepared the other side of this. You can see it's attached very firmly to the edge here, and it has the exposed Velcro. When I put these two together with the holders and try to pull them apart, they come apart but stay attached to the bag. So that was a good experiment in my book. So I can attach them together, and then fold this over so I have a little bit more material to melt together. I'm gonna attach the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And we have a Velcro attachment in the back. So